Hi dear students, I am here with a new mathematical problem. 16 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 and 4 divided by 2. So it will be 16 divided by 2 multiplied by 2, and this can be written as divided by 2. We have our rule, PEMDAS. P-E-M-D-A-S. P mean. First of all, we will solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication, division. And this is similar, and we will prefer the term which is on left side, then addition and subtraction. So here we will prefer the operation of division which is on left side. So 16 divided by 2 will become 8 multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. So again it is parentheses. So 8 multiplied by 2 will be equal to 16 divided by 2, and 16 divided by 2 will be equal to 8, which is our answer.